Hi everyone, today we'll talk about chapter 11 risk analysis. Let's start. Here we have in risk analysis we have more than one analysis. The first one is scenario analysis. In scenario analysis, it's you are doing the same. You are doing the tables that we did in capital budgeting, the pro forma, and then budgeting and the cash flow. You're doing it the same, but in the question you'll be asked to do it with a different percentage. You will do it in three forms. The best case scenario, where you will increase the price and the quantity by the given percentage, and decrease the cost, which is the fixed cost and variable cost, by the given percentage. You don't change the tax and the depreciation and the working capital. These three, they stay constant. You don't change it. In the worst case, you do the opposite of the best case, where you decrease the price and cost and increase the fixed cost and variable cost. And you have the normal case, where you don't decrease anything, you just do it as it is. After finishing everything, you then analyze and see everything, how it changes it. And sensitive analysis, only one variable change, so you do everything normal, but you only change one variable. It can be cost, quantity. You change only one variable, and you see how it changed the outcome. The higher the effect of changing this variable is, the more sensitive this variable is. And then we have simulator analysis. This one, it's done by the big companies, where it's done by computer and programs, where everything is changed and they try lots of stuff, and it's all done by computers and programs. Next, we have the risk analysis, break-even analysis. We have three types: accounting break-even, cash break-even, and financial break-even. Accounting break-even, we get it by fixed cost plus depreciation over contribution margin, which is price over variable cost, and that's how we get the quantity. If we need to get that price break even, we multiply the whole answer by the price. And here, the cash break even, it's fixed cost over contribution margin. For financial break even, it's fixed cost plus operating cash flow over contribution margin. But how do we get the operating cash flow? It's initial investments, which is the assets, the fixed asset, over annuity factor. How do we get the annuity factor? Annuity factor is equal 1 over rate of return plus 1 and squared by the year number. So if it's so we do it, if it's 3 years, we do it 3 times, and we add each one. For the first one, we do year squared by 1, because it's year 1, and then 2 squared by 2, and 3 squared by 3. Then we need to get a thing called degree of leverage. We use this equation if we can use only this equation if we are getting the financial degree of leverage, where we just get the fixed cost over operating cash flow that we already got it in the financial break-even equation, and then plus 1. But if we need to get the accounting or cash degree of leverage, we use this equation, where it's fixed cost over revenue minus variable cost minus fixed cost plus 1. Here, the revenue and variable cost, we get it using if we're doing the accounting degree of leverage, we do it using the quantity we got from the accounting break even. So we multiply the quantity we got from the break even times the price to get the revenue or the variable cost. And that's it. Thank you.